how to make an Asana project private. Hello guys and welcome to this new tutorial. In today's video I'm going to show you how simple and easy it is to make your Asana project as private. So the process is going to be very easy and simple. Head over asana.com, sign in for an account, and you're going to find all of these informations right there. Now what we're going to do next is going to be very simple. Head over the project that you want to make private. That means that you're going to head over the left side of the screen and head over the items which are going to be situated here. Click on design or whatever name of the project that you want. And you're going to find the project list, whatever, and here you go. Now I'm going to head over here, which is going to have the abbreviation of my name here, or not my name, but basically my account name. So we are going to click on it. Now we're going to find the invitation to share the design, or not design, but basically the project. You can see the access to the settings, workspaces, whatever. And here we go. Now what I'm going to do is going to be very simple. I'm going to head over the members, and we can see that we have the access setting. I'm going to click on this and click on private to member. Only invited members can find and access this project. A little disclaimer guys, everything created in this video such as email addresses, names, phone numbers are going to be created only for the sake of the video and not for anything else. Make sure that you're going to use your own information. So here I have made my project private. You're going to find everything right there. So now what I'm going to do, or what can I do, is going to be very simple. I close this, and this project, as you can see, is going to be private to members. I can go ahead and add members or invite members to this project, and here we go. That was pretty much it for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. I hope that you have enjoyed the content, and I hope to see you in the next one.